Hello, welcome back. And we are going to a different topic, and that topic is roof piling creation for the PEB or the pre-engineering building training course of technical structures. So, if you take a look on the table of contents, we are here roof piling creation. So, let's switch back to technical structures environment. Now, if I zoom close to this frame here, you can see I've already created some points here. The purpose of these points is just to help me locate the positions of each pali along the length of this rafter. So there's an offset between center of the apex here. I've given an offset of 350 there, and similar to this from eve to that. Now I'm going to use these 2 points, this point and this point, to prepare or to create piling positions along the length of the rafter. Now, let's get started. Let's move straight away and start applying or using or enjoying the benefits of points here. So I'll pick option one. Let me just select online. So I'm going to pick my point from that spot and zoom out and get a center between the 2 points I'm picking. So if I zoom out, you'll find my center point is here. And again, I'm going to get a center of these 2 points from that point to this point here. Let me just zoom close, and I've snapped on that spot. So you can see I have a center here. And again, I'm going to zoom close and snap on that spot and zoom out and target this far end point here. And I've snapped on that spot. So you'll find I'll have a purlin here and a purlin here and a purlin here. But the disadvantage of this is because it's exactly on the end plate connection, on a joint connection, on a raft connection. So creating a connection for our piling will be hell on earth, and that will not be possible. So we'll find a way of offsetting this point away from that joint. So let's just continue creating the center points for this point. So let me just create a point between that point and that point. So we have a midpoint here. And again, I'll zoom out and snap on that spot and snap on that spot. So I have a point here and a point here. So let me just confirm these lengths. So between this length, this spot and that spot, this is 3 meters. And a span of 3 meter center of panel, that's too much. That's too much. And our sheets might not find enough support on the roof. So we have to create another point here. So let me just click on that spot and come here and create another spot here. So I'll have another one there. So let me just confirm the distance here. That distance, that is 834. Too close, too close, too close, too close, too close. So let me just adjust another one there. Let me just adjust another one. So you just play with this until you get the right center, right position. So let me get rid of that. And if I come here and try to check that distance, and that is 1.25. It's close to what we want, closer to what we want. And let me do the same thing here, that, and have that on the spot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this one. And not, and let me just undo that. Let me just undo that. I'm going to delete this. So I'll try to check the distance between here and here. That is 2 meters, which might be too big, too big, too big, too big, too big. So let me check that and that. That is 1.2. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to delete that. So I'm going to delete this one also. So I'm going to use this distance here. Right click and come to copy. So I'm going to copy this and place it here. Copy that and place it there, and have that there, and have this there. Perfect. So I'll delete this one also. So I'll have from the eave height, from the eave, I'll have this distance that is 834. And from center to center here, I'm going to now get rid of this one, and I'm going to use this distance. Right click and come to special copy, and I want to copy this going upward. And let me just place that as you go, and place that as you go, and place that one as you go. So this one is snapping right on the spot here. So that's the best point we've located. So let me just select these points and transfer them to another rafter to enable us have a starting point and end point of our pilots. So thereafter we'll be able to just copy a special copy and populate it to the rest of our rafters. So I've copied these points to the other side. So let me just close this. And now I'm going to switch back to steel, then come to steel beam. I'm going to start creating my pallets. So for now, I've just created, make sure you save your work. I've just created the points. And the reason why we are creating this point, because our center point was actually located at the center of this joint, which was really going to affect our piling connection. So let's get the rest on part 2 on roof piling creation on the next lesson. Bye bye. Let's meet then.